just to give you where it sort of fits into the market where we see it fitting in, we've got plenty of customers that, as you say, still working on spreadsheets. So all of the devices, that signal flows, everything is modeled in spreadsheets. And to be honest, there's nothing wrong with it. And we can definitely, we have tools within Mosaic to automatically ingest that information and build all of the data that we need internally within Mosaic to work with those spreadsheets. But it's not an ideal way for customers to manage their data. There's no source control, there's no management, there's no change management processes around that. And that's really where Tessera sort of fits in. In a nutshell, Tessera is an asset management system, a configuration database that allows our customer to model any information that they want. It doesn't just have to be assets. It could be maintenance contracts. It could be, service flows. It can be whatever they need to cover within their data. But effectively, it is a tool to manage that wealth of information that is always present in these facilities.